Welcome to Tamil Nadu MBA MCA Online Counseling Admission 2020. Click on New User Registration. You will be prompted with a registration page. Enter your name as in 10th or HSC mark sheet. Enter your mobile number and type a valid email address. All communication will be sent to the provided email. Enter your TANSET 2020 registration number. Enter a minimum of 6-character password. Your password should contain at least one alphabet, special character and number. Retype the password to confirm the same. Select a course and click Save. You're almost done. Kindly enter the one-time password that is sent to your email. Open your email. Find the one-time password that is sent to you. Copy the one-time password and type the same. Click Submit. This is your user login page where you have to enter your email and the password that you have used. Click Login. You can also use the Forgot Password option in case you forgot the password. After clicking Login, you will see the application page where you will click Complete Registration. Few details will already be filled to you. Click Complete Registration to complete the application process. Enter the name of the parent or guardian. From the drop-down menu, click the religion of yours and the date of birth. The date of birth should be in DD, MM, YY format. From the drop-down menu, enter the name of the community and the caste. In the box provided, enter your communication address. Please make sure that the entered communication address is error-free. After entering your communication address, click radio buttons Yes or No for differently abled quota. If you are not applying under differently abled quota, click radio button No. From the drop-down menus, select State and District. Also, select the qualifying degree and pattern of study. Enter your PIN code. Select the appearance in final year exam. Also select the appearance in final year exam month and year. Enter your place of birth. Choose your mother tongue. Choose maths studied at which level and press Save and Continue. You will be prompted to enter the school or college of study information. If you have studied diploma instead of 11th and 12th, you can leave the first row empty. You are supposed to enter the year of passing, name of the school or college, the district and state of the school or college for 11th, 12th or diploma courses and your degree course. In the first column, enter the year of passing. In the second column, enter the name of the school or college of study. The third column, enter the district, and the fourth column, enter the state. Continue the same process for class 11th, 12th or diploma and your degree of study. After entering the information of your school or college of study, you can press Save and Continue. In case if you want to edit the options, you can click Edit. Click Save and Continue. you will be prompted to enter UG degree information. Enter name of the college. In the box provided, enter your college address. Kindly enter the name of the university and the discipline of your qualifying degree. For example, Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, BSc Computer Technology, etc. You will be prompted to enter details of marks obtained in UG degree qualifying examination. You have to enter the marks obtained and the maximum mark for semester 1 till semester 8 in case of BE BTech degree courses. In case of other courses, till the last semester, you have to enter the information. In the first column, enter the month of the examination. The second column, you have to enter the year of the examination. Fourth column, you have to enter the maximum marks or the CGPA. Fourth column, you have to enter the marks obtained. Continue the process starting from the first semester until the last semester is over. Stay cautious in entering the marks obtained. In case your marks obtained and the maximum marks is in terms of CGPA, kindly enter in terms of CGPA. If you are entering in terms of percentage, go ahead. Once you have completed providing marks for semester 1 till semester 8, you will be prompted to check the total marks or the CGPA. In case if the calculated value is incorrect, you can correct it manually. The system also generates marks obtained or CGPA. In case the calculated value is incorrect, please correct it manually. Also, enter the percentage of marks. You will be also prompted to enter the average percentage of marks up to pre-final semester or year. Enter the total mark till pre-final semester, marks obtained till the pre-final semester, and the percentage of marks till the pre-final semester. If all the information entered are correct, click Save and Continue. Else you can edit the application. You're almost done. You can preview the application to check whether the entered informations are correct. Click Continue to pay your fees. Once your fees is paid, your application will be generated. You can click Download Now to generate and download your application. Thank you for registering with Tamil Nadu MBA MCA Online Admission Process 2020.